What if I told you that conflict isn't always a problem to solve, but an opportunity to create something better? The most effective leaders and teams don't just resolve conflicts, they transform them into collaboration. In this segment, we'll explore how to shift from confrontation to cooperation. By the end, you'll have the tools to turn conflict into a win win situation, fostering stronger relationships and better outcomes. By changing the way we approach disagreements, we can turn adversaries into allies and create solutions that benefit everyone involved. Let's break this process down into actionable steps. The first step in turning conflict into collaboration is reframing. Conflict doesn't have to mean opposition, it can mean opportunity. It's all about shifting your mindset from me versus you to us versus the problem. Here's a simple exercise to reframe conflict. Ask yourself, what can I learn from this disagreement? How can this challenge strengthen our relationship or process? For example, if two team members are arguing over priorities, the conflict might be an opportunity to clarify goals and improve alignment. Collaboration thrives in an environment of trust, respect, and openness. If those elements are missing, even the best strategies will fall flat. Let's talk about how to create a collaborative space, even in the midst of conflict. One way to build trust is to lead with vulnerability. For instance, you might say, I know we've had some disagreements, but I value your perspective, and I'd like us to work together on this. This sets a tone of openness and respect. Another strategy is to acknowledge shared goals up front. We both want the best outcome for this project. Let's figure out how to get there together. Now let's talk about finding solutions that work for everyone. This is the heart of collaboration. It's not about compromising your needs or forcing the other person to give in. It's about aligning interests to create a solution that benefits all parties. Let's say you're negotiating workloads. Instead of focusing on dividing tasks evenly, you might explore what each person values most. Perhaps one person values flexibility while the other values structure. A win-win solution could involve one person taking on predictable tasks while the other handles flexible responsibilities. By aligning interests, you create solutions that feel fair and mutually beneficial. Collaboration works best when both sides contribute ideas. Use techniques like yes and to build on each other's suggestions instead of yes, but. For example, if someone proposes an idea, respond with yes, and we could also try. This approach keeps the brainstorming process constructive and forward focused. Turning conflict into collaboration isn't just about solving problems. It's about strengthening relationships, building trust, and fostering innovation. By reframing conflict, creating a collaborative environment, and aligning interests, you can transform disagreements into collaboration. Now that we've mastered collaboration, let's tackle an important element of conflict: cultural and contextual sensitivity. In our next segment, we'll explore how to adapt your approach to different situations and people for even greater success.